Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a text box to product page in Shopify. First things first, obviously we have to log in into our Shopify account, and we have to log in as an admin. As by any other integration that we already did with Shopify on our Shopify account, we want to focus on the bottom left part of our workspace and click on settings. Here we have apps and sales channels. Right now we want to click on top right corner where we have the Shopify app store. Once you click there, it's very easy. We want to write down text box. We hit enter, and what we have or what we want to do is either go with bold product options or text box, text by Textify. And just like that, we will add the app. Very easily, we hit the install app. We have to wait a few seconds, obviously, just to see if it all works. And that you are going to be billed by $2.99 every 30 days to be able to use it. I think from the business side of perspective, it's very, very cheap to have really beautiful store in Shopify. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.